Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are well, fit at your home with your parents and overcoming this crisis. So students, as usual, again we are here to discuss regarding physical education. Today we will discuss about our last chapter of the syllabus grade 12, chapter number 10. Name of chapter is training in sports. Today we will discuss about a very important topic. Name is flexibility. I hope you understood all lectures whatsoever we delivered before. But I told you so many times, if you are having any kind of queries regarding physical education, you may ask telephonically, you may send us a WhatsApp message. No need to hesitate because we people are for you only. We are getting payment from your fees. So please don't be shy because this subject is a very scoring subject in your esteem, either medical, either non-medical, either humanity, either commerce. So please follow our guidelines whatsoever our teachers are delivering to you daily basis. Even we are giving you some question to solve. Please follow us. Hope so you will follow us, and hope so you are well at your home and you are doing so many physical activity for your health, because I told you so many times, health is wealth, wealth is not health. So today we will discuss about chapter number 10, training in sports. We will discuss about, we have a topic today, very important topic is a flexibility. We will come to next page now. Now we will discuss about meaning of flexibility. But a flexibility is a range of movement of various joints. An individual who has proper flexibility can perform his work very easily than other people's, those who don't have flexibility. So in other words, we can say flexibility is not only significant in the field of sports and game, what we can say, it is also equally significant for an individual in daily life. I mean, if you are flexible, you can do better work than other people's in better way. In other words, we can say flexibility can be defined as the maximum range of motion at a joint, that is the extent of movement possible about a joint without undue strain. So this is called flexibility. In other words, as I told you, the flexibility is the range of movement of various joints of human body. An individual who has proper flexibility can perform his work very easily than other people, those who are not flexible. Flexibility is not only significant in the field of sports and game, but in real life also. It is also equally significant for an individual in daily life. I have seen many cases, those who are very flexible, their joints of movement range is very high level than other people, those who are fatty, those who are having obesity, they people are not flexible. I mean, flexibility is helpful in improving posture, maintaining healthy joints, preventing various injuries in our life, improving balance, reducing back pain, etc. etc. Other words, we can say flexibility is very essential to perform many sports activity such as gymnastic, yoga, volleyball, swimming, karate, dance, judo. We can improve so many games, and we can perform very well them if we are flexible. Flexibility contributes to the efficient performance of all kind of physical activities, including everyday tasks and sports. If you are fit, you are flexible, you can perform every activity. I mean to say, you can improve so many various activities in your life better than other people, those who are not having sufficient flexibility in the body. So we will come to next page now. Next is types of flexibility. I mean, flexibility is type. Number one is passive flexibility. Second is active flexibility. Passive mean with the help of other sources. If we are doing so, we are improving our flexibility. Then we can say we are having passive flexibility. And active flexibility, when we are flexible with our own effort, not with the help of other people, then we can say we are doing active flexibility in your life for your body. So there are so many types: positive, passive and active. Active is also two types: static flexibility and dynamic flexibility. Now, first of all, we will discuss about passive flexibility. I told you earlier, passive flexibility is the ability of a joint to do movement with external help. Just like you are having any kind of partner, even you are using any kind of help. I mean, you are having any kind of sports equipments, performing stretching exercise with the help of your partner even. Then active flexibility is the ability of a joint to do movement without any external help. I mean, with your help only. The stretching is done is to be full range without the help of any partner. Active flexibility can be divided into two parts: static flexibility, then dynamic flexibility. Because static flexibility is individual performance. A movement of tries to remain in the same position for some time, just like in yoga we can say halasana, we are staying there; chakrasana, we are staying in the same posture, bending forward and sideways bending, etc., etc. There are so many other asanas also. And dynamic flexibility is performed during motion or movement. It is required for performing movement with a greater distance with when a person is in a motion. I mean, the person is moving. These actions are performed during gymnastic movement, Roman ring, etc., etc. So these are types of flexibility. We can say active or passive, static and dynamic flexibility. Now we will come to next page for next content of flexibility. Next is method to improve flexibility. How we can improve flexibility? There are so many methods. First is ballistic method. Ballistic method is the movement is performed with a swing in a rhythmic way. The related joint is stretched with a swing. The stretching exercise can be performed rhythmically with a count. At each count and joint is stretched to the maximum limit and it is again flexed before performing such exercise, the appropriate warm up essential because there are maximum chances to overstretching of a joint. I mean to say, this method we can improve if we are following proper guideline of warming up. So next is static stretching method. Static stretching method involve gradually easing into the stretch position and holding the position. The amount of time a static stretch is held depend upon one purpose. If it is a part of cool down, then the stretch should be held for 10 seconds. If it is to improve the range of flexibility, then hold it for 30 seconds, maybe 40 seconds. In static stretching, it is advised to move further into the stretch position as the stretch sensation comes to lower level. Next is passive stretching. I told you we require other help also, we require extra help also, we require partner also for passive stretching. Then we can improve our flexibility properly. Dynamic, as I told you earlier, we require dynamic stretching consists to control leg and arm swing that take you gently to the limit of your range of motion. Where the event require a dynamic movement, it is appropriate to conduct dynamic stretching exercise. Start with the movement at half speed for a couple of repetition and then gradually work up to full speed. This is called dynamic stretching method. Then proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation. This is very important when our hand eye coordination, we can say our hand foot coordination, eyes foot coordination, this is very required for flexibility. This is appropriate when we are performing gymnastic, when we are performing football, when we are performing hockey even, then this coordination is much required for our flexibility. Without this we cannot improve, we cannot perform. Next is passive stretching. I told you. Dynamic stretching I also told you. PNF techniques is a most appropriate method for increasing the developing flexibility in the shortest possible of time. This method is used by sports person for gaining flexibility. It involves used to muscle contraction before the stretch to achieve maximum muscle relaxation. The following procedure are used to PNF technique, we can improve it. Move into stretch position that so that we can stretch, sensation can be left. The partner hold the limb in the stretching position. Push against your partner to 6 to 10 seconds by contracting the ectoglyphs muscle and then relax. During the contraction, the partner try to resist any movement of the limb. So this is called PNF. So these are the method to improve the stretching. I mean as a flexibility mode. Method to improve flexibility, I told you now. These are 5 methods. There are so many other methods also, but major these are 5 methods we can improve our flexibility. If we don't have, even if we have, we can increase it proper way in proper manners. If we are doing, we are using these methods, we are inculcating, we are applying these methods, we can improve our flexibility properly than other people's. Now we will come to next page. Okay, now general guidelines for developing or improving flexibility in our body. I mean what we can do to improve, to maintain, to increase our flexibility in our life for our body. Number 1, to maintain flexibility, exercises should be performed regularly. Not for one day. Even I'm giving you example. If you are saying I did workout today and afterward I did workout after 2 3 months, I am not flexible. It's not possible. You have to regular for that. Next is proper warming up should be performed before doing flexibility exercises. I mean, if you are not proper warming up, then you can get strain, sprain, even dislocation of your bones also. Even you can get hurt, you can get various injuries in your life while performing these activities if you are not properly warming up. Next is while performing flexibility exercise, one should stretch to a point where one feel comfortable and should not strain the body. I mean, whatsoever they require, how much body can take load, how much body range can take load. We cannot stretch afterward. I mean overload, then also we can get injury. We cannot improve our flexibility. How much we can, this we can do only. Next is stretching position should be held for 10-20 seconds without feeling uncomfortable. I mean, you should perform these all activities for 5 to 10 seconds. Then you have to gradually increase 10 to 12 seconds. Then you have to increase 20 to 25 seconds. It depends upon your age, your gender also. Females are more flexible than male. This also we should come to know, and these are general guidelines, and we cannot stretch more people, those who are not stretchable. I mean men category especially. Women are very flexible than men with the birthing rate also. Next is breathing should be performed during stretching and it should be calm and rhythmic. Next is jerky movements should be avoided. We can come gradually. We cannot jerk your body. Otherwise, you can get injury. You can get hurt. You can get dislocation even. You can get sprain even. You can get strain even in your body if you are jerking yourself immediately. So take things all gradually. Then you can come ahead. Next is after doing any flexibility exercise, muscle should be also relaxed. We cannot give overload. Relax your muscle, just like after chakrasana you have to relax for 5 to 10 seconds, then you can perform other repetition. Any repetition, after every repetition, I mean to say, you have to take rest 5 to 10 seconds, then start other repetition. If you are doing regularly, you can feel tired and you can do errors. You can get so many injuries while doing this. You cannot improve your flexibility and all. After doing any kind of flexibility, you have to take proper meal also. Balanced diet is also most factor of the flexibility also. To improve dynamic flexibility exercise related to sports activity are more beneficial for our daily life, we can say. Because there are different game. Gymnastic game we require more flexibility. No, even kabaddi also we require more flexibility. Even mostly every games we require flexibility instead of some heavy games, I meant to say. So we require regular workout for that if we want to remain same. If we are not regular in our workout, so we cannot perform well in flexibility level. We cannot improve our flexibility. We can decrease ourselves. And as I told you, general guidelines is how much calorie we have to burn. This we have to earn also. Otherwise, without balanced diet, we cannot go ahead. And our muscle can weak and muscle tone can also decrease. We have to take proper balanced diet regarding same, so that we can improve our flexibility for our life, for our body. And we have to take one more thing I would like to add in that, because women are more flexible than men category. Their bones are flexible than men category. This is biological, we can say. This is we can say also by birth also, because women, you see the gymnast women, those who are performing in Olympic, they people are very flexible than men category. Even men are also performing, but women are dominating in this field always. they are very far away than men category. So these are guidelines we have to, we have to do regularly to developing our or improving our flexibility in our life. We can take partner also. If we don't have any partner, we can take actively also, but we cannot give overload on our body, so that we can not feel more stress, I mean overload, so we can perform well and remain sustained same for our flexibility level up. So we will come to next page now. So students, thank you very much to listen patientfully my lecture. Hope so you enjoyed this lecture, and hope so you are following all content whatsoever we are delivering to you daily basis, and hope so you are actively participating your body in stationary warming up, active warming up, passive warming up, so that you will feel healthy at your home along with your parents. I would like to add one more thing. This is time to improve your body also at home. If you are at home, don't waste your time. Give 25 minutes for your body, 40 minutes for each subject. You will feel enjoy, you will feel balanced life, and at the time of examination you will not feel overload. This is also a part of your life, part of your education, I mean time management. Hope so you are enjoying our lecture daily basis and following my guidelines of practical basis. I am delivering you so many tips physically and theoretically also. So please beta follow it properly. Jai Hind. Thank you very much.